Hello. How are you all? I hope you guys are fine, enjoying having fun, and living your best lives out there, guys. So, I know you are not forgetting to subscribe, sharing, and liking my channel. Plus, let me know where are you watching from so I can send back some love. And I hope you are enjoying your last days of the summer because it's gonna end real soon. So, well, I on the daily basis I bring different videos. Guys. Some of you liking my videos, and some of you are subscribing my channel. The left one, please, you do too, and this will be really fun if you guys do it. So in today's video there are a lot of pretty chicken recipes which you guys are gonna love, and chicken is also some instant kind of cooking, and the one I brought, you are gonna love them. These are so pretty, and these are ideal, just the idea of chicken recipes you can have instead of just a simple one. Like parmesan crust chicken, butter chicken is the best, guys, trust me. And black pepper chicken, I personally love black pepper chicken. I personally love the recipes which include black pepper because it's kind of give a different spicy taste, and creamy chicken and potato. Oh, Miami chicken. Oh my goodness, this sauce looks so yum. I just want to eat it right away. Kale and the chicken. Ooh, yummy, my tummy. So, you guys, this is so good. Don't forget to share, subscribe, and like my channel.